Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new electronics. What I have to unbox and review today is the AFERY power bank. Now what this thing is a DC portable power station. This thing is going to hold a ton of battery life for anything you plug into it. You can use a variety of different electronics to plug into this. It can be your cell phone, it could be your gaming console, radio, even solar panels and laptops, as you can see on the side there. This thing is the Nano 100 model AFPB010. The battery pack capacity is 99.2 watts. Its rated capacity is 20 volts by 5 amps. It has a variety of inputs and output ranging from USB-C to USB-A. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing and try it out. Right off the top here we have the instruction manual. This is going to tell you exactly how to operate this, but should be plug and play. Obviously you'll want to get a charge on a power station to build up the battery capacity in it, and then that's what draws it out to the device that you plug in. It's packed in here very nicely. Let's unravel. So this thing is heavy duty. I would say it weighs probably about 5 pounds. It does have the input and output plug on the top. Unravel that, you have yourself your USB-C. Retracts back in there. And let's see here. Has all the specs on the bottom of the device. The ports on the front and a LED screen. Let's power this up. So right now we have it at 28%. This is brand new out of the package, so we will want to get this thing charged up and get a full battery on here. And as you're using it, you're going to be able to see this battery life go down, but this thing is rated to last a very long time. So it does show you right on the screen the rated amount of hours based on the device you plug into it. Now what these are going to be useful for are camping trips. If you have a power outage at your home and you need to power some devices, this is going to take care of that for you. Any type of emergency, it's nice to have a battery backup. Now we have those little plug and play USB sticks, and those typically only last a couple hours at best. This thing is going to last you a very long time, many hours, possibly days of being on the road or out and about. You'll be able to get your devices charged up and operational with this handy device here. So one thing it does come with also is this plug-in here. This just goes onto the end of the USB-C, and you're able to plug in any type of device that uses this jack here. But for the sake of most common electronics, you just unplug in your USB-C device and be good to go with it the way it is. So I'm back down here with my Nintendo Switch. This thing is completely dead. Won't turn on whatsoever because I didn't have it plugged in. I'm going to use the charging device to plug right into the bottom of the Nintendo Switch. You can see the LCD screen lights up and it's just connected through the top there. I'm going to try powering it on to see if it gives me the indicator. It does blink, it shows that it is charging. We have the icon on the top left with the lightning bolt, and it should be charged and ready to go in no time. Granted, it is based on the device you use. With the Nintendo Switch, it does need at least 5% battery on it before it's starting to work. So we're going to keep that on the charger and check back in just a moment. So one neat thing about the power station here, While it's charging, you're wondering how long is this going to take to charge? Well, on the bottom left of the screen there, it shows you 3.8 hours for a full charge with this power bank. Very nice to let you know that it's going to take that long with the certain watts it's putting through. And on the right there, if you're charging this as you go, that's going to build up that battery on there. So it's just distributed through with the 28% it came with. Obviously, if you're going on a big trip, charge this thing up and make sure you're prepped for whatever device you're going to plug into it. And as you can see here, my Nintendo Switch is charged already. Not completely, but enough that it's powered on and it's continuing to do its thing. This was plugged in for just a couple minutes, but I'm ready to go and I can start gaming immediately. Have it charged in as I'm playing, and yeah, this thing is awesome. Do highly recommend picking one of these up if you need a quick portable battery. Gets the job done. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these charging stations for yourselves, definitely take a look at the link in the description below where I will have that linked. If you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.